100 English tools vocabulary. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Wrench. Wrench. Pliers. Pliers. Drill. Drill. Saw. Saw. Tape measure. Tape measure. Level. Level. Chisel. Chisel. Allen wrench. Allen wrench. Clamp. Clamp. File. File. Staple gun. Staple gun. Bolt cutter. Bolt cutter. Utility knife. Utility knife. Wire stripper. Wire stripper. Hacksaw. Hacksaw. Angle grinder. Angle grinder. Trowel. Trowel. Jack. Jack. Spirit level. Spirit level. Crowbar. Crowbar. Rivet gun. Rivet gun. Pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. Ratchet wrench. Ratchet wrench. Pry bar. Pry bar. Allen key set. Allen key set. Handsaw. Handsaw. Power drill. Power drill. Soldering iron. Soldering iron. Torque wrench. Torque wrench. Grease gun. Grease gun. Wire brush. Wire brush. Caulking gun. Caulking gun. Masonry trowel. Masonry trowel. Belt sander. Belt sander. Pipe cutter. Pipe cutter. Auger. Auger. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Folding rule. Folding rule. Scraper. Scraper. Thread tap. Thread tap. Clamp meter. Clamp meter. Oscillating tool. Oscillating tool. Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. Laser level. Laser level. Brick trowel. Brick trowel. Paint roller. Paint roller. Inspection mirror. Inspection mirror. Hammer. Hammer. Fart 2 self-test. Screwdriver. Wrench. Pliers. Drill. Saw. Tape measure. Level. Chisel. Allen wrench. Clamp. File. Staple gun. Bolt cutter. Utility knife. Wire stripper. Hacksaw. Angle grinder. Trowel. Jack. Spirit level. Crowbar. Rivet gun. Pipe wrench. Ratchet wrench. Hand saw. Power drill. Soldering iron. Torque wrench. Grease gun. Wire brush. Caulking gun. Masonry trowel. Belt sander. Pipe cutter. Auger. Jigsaw. Folding rule. Scraper. Thread tap. Clamp meter. Oscillating tool. Vernier caliper. Laser level. Brick trowel. Paint roller. Inspection mirror. Hammer.